The Jollibee, guys. The Jollibee is affected to the earthquake, so that's why they can renovate to make the new one. Yeah, that's the Jollibee. Yes. So Angel and Marvey, Angel, what's up? Nasa? So we are here now, guys. Watch your one, oy, watch your step and watch the up. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
So you enjoy walking? You enjoy walking, guys? Really? Oh. Watch me, guys. Show, oy. Show, guys. We're going to church first before we are going to park.
Going to park.
Yeah. Nice. We have a candle, guys, so we're just going to have it. What do you call the uwanaza? Everyone in Bisaya called panagkot. So in English, it's called scalding or nagging. So that's mean. So we are just thankful and grateful so that we just do this
And came here.
Yeah. Thankful for the blessings. So now, guys, we're here at the Bugu Church. So we just came here to say thank you and to be grateful of what we have, and I hope that and more blessings to come, and our family is safe for everything or happen in this world. You can see, guys, this is the church, and there's a lot of damage here because of the earthquake before. See my sister there. Chicken, fried chicken. We already eat now. Let's go eat Wala sa tatawa. We have fried chicken, shumai, Jen, left, right. Left, right. How's the food? Oh, good pa ako do. Giran. Huh?
Because
So will be the last mukbang. Mine and Marvy's chicken and Nasa's chicken and also mine's chicken.
Hindi mo guro may cartoon na pumunit ko. Kaya na ko dito.
Uy, diwas na nagkaon. Anya sa day? Mukbang, Nasa's mukbang chicken. Going to the park na guys. Hey everyone, what's up?
Rock your body.
Rock your body.
Rock your body.
Wait today. Bibo ang Pasko sa Bugu. Night. Naza! Say hi, Marvy.
Susi palit tag mapstick. That's okay.
Naza! Tay, sige, diha mo. Barog mo sa tubangan. Fran! Sige, Fran! Barog ba? Ang init ng pag-ibig. Oh.
150.
Day, dikit na mo. Dikit. Jill. Sige, tikit. Tikit, Murphy. So guys, we are here now at the park. So here's the view and there's a waterfalls. Johnny tay. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy Go girls! Go ladies! Sige na ka! Day, suot mo dito day! Suot mo ba? Sige na day! Suot mo ito ba? So guys, wrong timing. It's raining. It's raining here. Kana. Kana. Hip-hop uy.
Hip-hop ba para nindot ka ayo?
Aray.
Jimon mana? Nang Jimon. Grabe uy ko ni uy doon. Hindi ka dyan. Sakit na.
Ready, smile.
Ato na lang.
What a nice setup.
Ato kita may gift dapat eh. Ato there oh. Tuyok siya oh, patungad sa phone.
Asa ko ha?
Sige, guys.
Against the light, jud siya day. Against the light dito banda.
Hari.
Sige diha, diha. Sige.
Sige, hari ka.
Ado taron ay. Ano sa tay? Let's go another
Location.
location. Wait, wait guys. What's up guys?
Hi.
Ikaw nasa diribi, ako nasa bi. Atras-atras lang. Sige.
Uy, makuan ko, ma. Okay na ito, ma. Walang ma ko, ha. Katawan ko.
Sige, cut na. What's up video? Turn ta ha. Tuyok na ko, tuyok. Turn. 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 Pag TikTok mara. Playground.
Ito lang ka-play.
Hoy, kanang mami, di ka musudad to?
Ano ko ba? Ito,
Hala, mabidyo naman to. The kids playground, everyone.
Hindi sa wakan kay hindi siya guys. Yung para siya using home run. Great home.
Ako na sad be. Hoy, ako na pud ba? Ayog duhaga ana.
Go there. Eh bata biya ka. Das. Candy. Simon. Si oy. Si. Pretty kay ka. Candy.
Candyland. So this is Candyland, everyone.
Hello guys, kasi cupcake. Picture sila.
Teka mo lang sa una.
Wala karang liga. Ari.
Okay. Guys, there's 7 dwarfs. There. Seven dwarf. Just like Santa Claus. No? It's Snow White, the 7 dwarf. And there's also a dwarf.
Ika-8. Let's go na. Oro man din. Akala ko nice. It's like babala lang siya. Ano eh? Plus titi na.
Gusto mo tayo kasakyan ba?
Kapit na ulit ito.
So, we're just go home na guys. So, everyone, NASA received a gift from Amazon. So, let's
Open.
unbox it.
Back. What is this thing?
You can show.
What is this?
And it's that from Amazon gift, guys. From Amazon.
No, I love the color. No. No. Oh, that's so nice. For sa laptop.
For the
Guys,
laptop, you can
guys.
open.
Nani konti? Ano bro, sa laptop. Casual. Casual siya guys. Nasa ikuan. Hello, I love the color. It's so nice. Let's see yung food thing. Oh, there's also ito on. Nice. Saan yan?
Ano? Kuhanan.
Oh. Nice. Igno na ako. Ignoranti ka ayos sinasa guys. Mudro, ano po yan? Nice kay siya.
Next.
Wala gini ko ano.
Next, guys.
The box.
Next box.
Open that one. What is this? This one is a cartoon. Ito malagay. Oh, what is this? Tada! Surprise! So, ito mo ni scarf? Scarf. Scarf siya guys. Oh. Charger and foreign information inside. No! Hello, for the dito today. Merry Christmas, Naza. Hope this can help you with your schoolwork from Derek and Rita. Hello, sa ilo, didikon. Merry Christmas, Naza. Hope this can help protect your phone from Derek and Rita. Your phone. Ah! Ano ko? Oh no, my God. It is real? It is real?
Cover.
It is real? Oh. Oh. Guys. Wala na. Try na to. Ang buwan. Really? Really? That's the point.
It's surprise gift. Then I don't know who, but I don't know what kind of gift that he I mean, what kind of gift he
No.
purchased your mommy and daddy. So that's why, because he
Hello, I don't expect.
already said to me that it's surprise gift, but I don't know what kind of surprise gift that you have. Yeah.
Ah, made me cry.
Yes. Because
So this
you know, guys, I am also surprised because he only says that it's surprise to NASA. So I'm not just telling to NASA, and I'm not also, I don't know also what kind
this
of
one.
items that he can purchase it. And this is from here, Daddy
My G.
Mommy Retta, from her Mama Retta. And yeah, from her Mama Retta and Daddy Direct.
Happy. Oh no, I didn't expect this. Surprise.
Yeah, it's surprise, and I don't know how also.
I also surprised.
Ikaw, tago mga ikaw!
Daddy, open.
My God. May G. May G. Praise the Lord.
Got her, kuan sad siya lang.
Wow! That's nice!
I love the color. I love the color.
Nice.
Green.
Uy! Nice cake, Ana.
I also surprised guys what kind of items that this
I can't
boxes.
imagine.
Kasi mas amo.
See?
Yeah.
16 man iya, 17 man iya.
16 kayo waterproof. Pwede siya waterproof.
Ay, yun. Yan, adi ay cake. Cake. Wow! Look. Look, wait, laki. Nagsalag yata. Ganda guys. Android! Dalo! Grabe siya. Oh! I didn't expect this, ha? Surprise, ha? Ayan ang message. Wait. Wait a minute. It's circle. No? Wow! Bienvenue! Asa ko pinutan eh?
Sige, English. English.
Sakto naman na yun.
English. Say sakto insular idioma.
English, Australia.
Dara oh English oh.
Ito na.
We start? Hello? Hello. Dayon?
Agree all.
Agree, Agree?
Yeah.
Dayon?
Choose ka either set up man like Galaxy or Android device or iPhone
Ani?
or
Ako
iPad.
na?
Ikaw, kaya ako sa kuan man to na ako kuan.
Ang saman?
Sa Galaxy man to or
Ah,
Android device. Magpili ra man jud ka pag usa nimong set up ganahan
Dayon,
ba ka?
skip.
Skip.
Oh my God. Dayon? Skip. Skip. Next.
Next. Agree. Allow.
Dayon. Dayon.
Ba?
Wireless.
Next na lang, next. So, next guys.
Next, guys. Uy, gisulod og balag. Uy, gisulod og bag, guys. Okay. Ito na pa. What is this? Make for smartphone. No! Cover!
No.
Screen protector, install guide. Hulong. Long hair. Ano? Ano ba matag mo magpapani? ang nang video oh. Try.
Okay,
Cover for the phone guard and there's a case.
Tempered.
Tempered. Case, tempered. Sakto. Next. What is this?
Her Christmas gift na guys, her Christmas gift.
Nako?
Yeah, there's kuan
So now,
from
okay,
Amazon
Christmas
and this gift.
gift. For mga Christmas gift.
Yeah, she told that she's ignorance.
Pwede ko ino ata.
Stand man ata na eh.
Ha?
Stand.
Standby?
Oh, standby. Ayaw kang itag-awan.
Standby.
Because this is surprise gift guys. Then, and I don't know. So, that's what.
Standby.
Yeah. And this is for NASA.
Funny. What is this?
Stand lagi.
ka ng kuan. Rosa ni. What is this? For what ni?
For mag-song, magkanta.
Yung.
Tripod mo na.
Saan?
Buka ha, ang ubos.
Saan yan?
Then, nakatunang ipasyon na ang kuha mo na lang na last.
Ano ni? Para sa nita.
Sige na, say thank you na. Say thank you na ba? Daddy Jurek and Rata.
Isa ba pang sorry. Nasa tong kuan. Ano? Sige, manina ka na no? Sige, kuan ako shirt, kuan thankful lang ko din na magkuan ako message ha. So, thank you for Daddy Zurek and Mami Rita for this surprise gift for Christmas. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful and I didn't expect this one. I can't say because huh?
Kaya,
Surprise gift.
wala sa
Thank you so much. I didn't expect this kind of gift. Thank you so much.